Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 2020 and I wanted to do, I don't know how quick this video is gonna be, but I wanted to do a quick video showing you all of my empties from 2019. I don't know how much makeup's in here. I do know there is a lot of hair care, probably some skincare for sure, but let's jump in. I have this Sephora bag full of empties. And I mean, it's like up to here, these. So I'm just gonna go in, pull it out, might talk about it, might just tell you what it is, and keep it pushing. So the first thing on top is this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter. It is a body gel oil. I use this to mix in with lotions because this is super greasy, and if I can get a lotion that I kind of like but doesn't quite moisturize the way I need my legs and arms and body to feel, I add this in with it. Next thing I got is a Tree Hut Bohemian Escape Shea Sugar Scrub, and this is in the scent flare whatever. Turmeric. I always say that word wrong. Is it turmeric or turmeric? Anyway, this is a body scrub I use in the shower. I either use this when I use Nair on my body to exfoliate the Nair and the hair off of my body when it's time to rinse it off, or I use it mixed in with my body wash to just soften my skin, get the dead skin cells off. So this, the Sol de Janeiro Cocoa Cabana Cream. I think I have 4 bigs and 1 little. Last year I fell in love with this lotion. This lotion is high dollar. I had no business falling in love with this lotion, but I am no longer in love with it. Although I love the scent, I used to love the texture of it. They changed up the formula and it went from being like a pudding type gel to lotion, and I didn't like the way it felt, so it helped me break my habit of the lotion. Thank you, Sol de Janeiro. I can move on with my life and go back to where I was before I started buying this $45 jar of lotion. And here we have the Murad. It's a hydration AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser. I got this at the recommendation of someone at Sephora. She probably worked for Murad, but was it the worst cleanser I've ever used? No. Was it the best cleanser? No. Then I got my toothpaste that I use. This is the Extreme Clean from Aquafresh. I have several different hair vitamins. As you can see, I am wearing my natural hair. We are trying to embrace it. It's not going well, but I'm trying, and I'm excited that it's growing, but anyway, we're gonna focus. This is the Hum Hair and Nail. Oh no, these are just the Hair Sweet Hair vitamins. I'm trying to think. I did notice some faster hair growth when I took these, but there's another set of vitamins in here. I think it's the Ollies that I liked better. This is one of the makeup items I finished. It is a YSL lip gloss in the shade number 2. I'm sure it had a name, but yeah, we don't know. Number 2. They don't even make it anymore, so I don't have to buy that high dollar ass lip gloss again either. Here is a skincare item from Korres. It is a toner, the Pomegranate Tonic Lotion. It's for oily combination skin, so I did like that. I'm still using it. I was about to lie. I do like it though. I tried the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. Liked it a lot and replaced it. This is the Empty Sheseido's Cotton Facial Cotton Pads. Replaced that. Here we have the ORS. This is the Black Olive Oil Repair 7 Leave-In Treatment. I bought this on accident and actually ended up liking this a whole lot for my natural locks. Finally finished the the Skindinavia makeup setting spray for oil control. Went through the Glow Recipe watermelon pink juice moisturizer. I really did like using this in the springtime and did repurchase it, using it. I used it in the fall. So during those times where it's not too hot, so I'm not going to produce too much oils, or it's not too cold, so my face is not going to be looking for all the moisture in the world. But I really did like this. Child, are they shooting outside? What is this, Beirut? Can y'all hear that? I mean, I ain't finna look. Okay, I looked. I can't see nothing. I don't know why the hell I looked. So this is one of the Hourglass Mineral Veil primers. Finished that. This was a new, glad it's empty. This is a nude gloss from H&M. I don't even know if they make this anymore. And this is the Starburst lip gloss from Mally. I don't even know if they make that anymore. I don't even know if Mally Beauty is still around. That's how old it is, don't judge. But it's done and we're moving on with our life. So this is toner from Caudalie. It's the Pure Vino. It is in English, please, with the grapeseed water and salicylic acid. This is really good for oily skin in the winter going into spring, and in the summer going into fall months. This is how I got hooked on it. I bought the little small one when I went out to get this what is it called, serum. So it's almost done. I did pick up the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash. I got this in the spring, I want to say, during the spring VIB sale. I did like the exfoliating part of this wash. I did not like that my face felt like it had a residue left on it. So I always had to double cleanse when I use this. This is Edge Control from Design Essentials. I did replace this. Really like it, but I like it more on relaxed hair than I do my natural hair, because it does nothing for my natural hair. I'll save that for a whole nother video. I tried the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. It's been so long since I used it. It didn't do what I wanted it to do, but I think it's because I was comparing my hair to other people's hair, and my hair is not their hair. My bad. But I did like the Design Essentials, can I say it? Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Nourish Co-Wash. But I like the almond and avocado whole line. Actually, not just the co-wash. I started with the co-wash. I also tried their leave-in conditioner. I like that a lot as well as their curl enhancing mousse. It didn't enhance any curls, hon. I just like the smell, and it's got sweet almond oil. I like the sweet almond oil. Here is the OGX coconut water conditioner. I like this for not my natural hair. My natural hair is it's extra. It is me to a T. It's extra. Sorry, I just keep looking at myself in the mirror because I'm just like, honey, what's happening? I swear this was cute like an hour ago. Anyway, this is supposed to hydrate, and I think I was using it at a time when I didn't know my hair just yet. So I might try it again, but I don't know how long I'm going to stay natural. Let's just be honest. This is nothing new to my channel. Caudalie Vinopure Moisturizer. Love this. This is a Repurchased coconut milk and a vitamin E body wash. I did like this. I got it at TJ Maxx and I see it at Target now. I don't want to pay Target price. So I went back to my Old Faithful, the Tahitian somebody renewal. This has the pomegranate seeds and coconut milk in it. This is a great scrub. So remember the ORS black olive oil. This is the leave-in conditioner I was trying to buy before. They don't sell it anymore in my beauty supply, so I had to get it on Amazon. I have not tried this yet on my natural hair, but I did love it on my relaxed hair. We'll see. That's all I can say. Here is the other serum that I did use last year from Ole Henriksen. It is the Truth Serum with the vitamin C. I'm still on the fence on what a serum's supposed to do. I don't have a lot of hyperpigmentation, so if that's what it's supposed to do, bravo. It worked. It didn't break me out. I'm not sure what I was thinking about these serums because I did replace both of them. And I got another serum. So I'm wanting it to do something. I just don't know what. So I can't even, let me move on. So Ollie made my hair grow so much. I tried it twice. I'm in the midst right now of doing the Sugar Bear hair gummies. Not getting the type of results that I got from Ollie, but I may go all the way back and get the, what are they called? Does anybody know? I can't think. I'll put the name here. I used it before, years ago. The problem was, and it made my hair grow. So that wasn't the issue. The issue was when I stopped taking it, all my hair came out. Not all of it, but my hair came out. So I really stayed away from hair vitamins altogether. Definitely stayed away from those. But for some reason, I am tempted. We'll see how I feel. Me and my hair, we're in a teenage romance right now. Every other day we're breaking up. I'm breaking up with my hair every other day. I also tried the Centrum. This is a multi-gummy for hair, skin, and nails. This helped clear up my skin, and I'm noticing now that I'm not taking this one, I am getting little bumps on my face, but I think I just need to get a good facial. But don't knock the good facial. That's all I'm saying. Getting down to the bottom. Green Clean from Fresh. I think, no, Pharmacy Green Clean. This melts away the makeup. Probably one of the best purchases that I made last year. Easily, hands down. I've replaced this twice. And at the bottom of this bag is all the makeup stuff. Let's see here. Agave lip mask from Bite Beauty. The Smashbox velvet matte lipstick in, who knows what the color is, not me. Maybe Always On, I don't know. And then here's a buxom little matte lipstick in Centerfold. This is one of the travel sizes of the Matte Rescue Professional. Who makes this? This is the Fresh Sugar Caramel Lip Balm. Replaced it, and I'm almost out of my replacement. I am trying to avoid Sephora, and I'm gonna have to go in there because I don't want to wait for it in the mail. This is this the eye cream? No, this was a It Secret Sauce moisturizer. I only use this at night. It was alright. House of Lashes lash glue. Hands down the best lash glue. If you can get your lash on good with that, it's not lifting until it's time to take it off. This was the Laneige Sleep Lip Mask in Grapefruit. It came in a holiday set from 2018. I still have, and I'm trying to finish up the apple one and something else. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Auburn. Actually replaced it and almost out of it again. But that's it. That is all of my empties for 2019. As you can see, I went through quite a bit of product. I feel like I went through more hair care products that maybe didn't make it in. There were a lot of gels that I went through, a lot of fails for the hair products that I went through, but I tried to keep track of everything. This is what I was able to salvage. I'm ready to get this out of my space because it's making me itch. Not really, but the fact that this is a big old bag of empties just sitting there. I can now send all this to recycling and be responsible for the environment. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to get my numbers up, maybe get a sponsor or 5. First, we got to get there by getting the views and getting the numbers up. So subscribe, share it with a friend. Most important, come back to see my world.